Good morning, it's John here again. I don't think everybody liked Tool of the Week last week, the frying pan, but you've got to eat, so you've got to fuel the body, fuel the mind. This week's Tool of the Week, multifunction, hands-free, trying to join wires together. So you've got your two hands full, and you're trying to join wires. We have a multifunction Tool of the Week. It's got a magnifying glass, it's got an LED, it's got a couple of crocodile clips. And we can hold the wires, and you can solder away. You don't need to hold the wires together or try and clamp them together. Other functions of this, it will rotate any direction you want. You can also hold different components. So it may be we're just wanting to do printed circuits and solder stuff. So we can magnify it up, we can adjust the magnifying glass. We can blow this up, we can remove components and put components back. Electronics is a dark art if you've not done a lot of it. Maybe that's not your thing, but the Tool of the Week, very versatile, great, got a light on it, and it's helped me loads of times hold things that I can't hold. You try to hold a soldering bolt between your teeth and trying to hold things with your hands. So, lots of little clamps on it, lots of adjustment for moving stuff up, down, round, whatever you want.
Okay, so I have some questions. So is this battery lights?
It's a 3AA AAA battery that's in it
Brilliant.
to give you the light. But I mean, if you don't need the light, you don't need the light. But the light's perfect. It does do what it says in the tin.
And roughly how much is this to buy?
They're about £10 or something when I bought mine. I think they're not changed.
That's quite a nice investment
So
then.
it's a good investment if you're doing quite a bit of soldering, or you just want to hold stuff together and have a look at it. Even just to use the magnifying glass, just to look at something and explode the view. I mean, printed circuit board's very, very tiny. If we can get, it's got a high resolution piece on it as well here, so we can really blow it up and have a look at it and see what's going on with the printed circuit board. So thanks for watching. No more frying pans for a wee while, unless I've got to eat. See you next week.